Great marketing videos do not have to take too much time, and they don't have to cost too much money. Don't believe me? Well, hang on tight because I'm about to share some of my best secrets for fast and affordable videos. Welcome to the Maximizers. Welcome, fellow Maximizers. If you are an entrepreneur wanting to make videos to grow your business, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, I'm David Miller, and for decades I've been a broadcast director, TV show creator, and video marketer. These days, I'm sharing some of my very best secrets for getting great marketing videos without spending too much time or too much money. Now make sure to watch until the very end of this video because I have a free gift I want to share with you. And after watching this episode, I think you're definitely going to want it. So let's have some fun and get right to the secrets. Let's talk about filming. It's what I'm doing right now. It's always very important to me to get the very most out of my tools and out of my location. Right now, my location is at home in my pasture, and back there is a bunch of dirt where they've just planted some crops. It's not a Hollywood movie set, but it's just fine for making this very important point, and that is that the key to fast and affordable filming is simplicity. A simple camera, a simple wireless microphone, and a simple tripod, like this one from Amazon. Today, I'm recording with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yeah, a phone. Now I hear some of you saying, David, that's a really expensive phone. And you're right, for a phone, it's pretty darn pricey. But for a production camera, it is a bargain. One of my very favorite things about the iPhone 15 Pro is that it has something called cinematic mode. It's what you're looking at right now. It makes the background behind me get very, very blurry, and it sets me apart from the background, so it keeps the focus right here. Looks like a movie, right? And the cinematic mode also works for wider shots, like the one that you're looking at right now. And one other cool thing about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that is, you know how some people love these big DSLR cameras because they have so many expensive lens choices? They can shoot super wide shots, they can shoot super tight shots. Well, believe it or not, this iPhone 15 Pro Max has 4 different lenses. First, we have a wide-angle lens, we have a standard lens, we have a close-up lens, and we have a telephoto lens. I realize that sometimes people do not want to use their phones for filming. Maybe you don't want it up on a tripod, you want it with you in case you need your phone. Well, I got an answer for you. Check out this camera. It's called an Osmo Pocket 3 all-in-one gimbal camera. It has a gimbal, so it takes out all the shakiness out of your shots, but it also has a built-in screen, and it makes some very good-looking video. Let me show you what I mean. The video you're watching right now is being recorded on the Osmo Pocket 3 gimbal camera. And while that gimbal is designed to take out all the shaky shots, it has one other really cool trick that I like, and that is face tracking. As I move around, it'll follow me wherever I go. It's really quite fun, but it's also a great tool for people who like to do demonstration videos. And for less than $700, you not only get the Pocket camera, but you also get one of these wireless microphone systems. They sound really good. In fact, all of the audio you've been listening to out here this morning has been recorded on one of these systems. And it's even better because I spent an extra $30 and got a lavalier microphone from Amazon. We Maximizers are always looking for great tips that we can put into practice right away. So here are a few quick tips that you can use today to elevate your filming game. If you want people to look their best, it's probably not good to shoot on a very wide-angle lens. You got to get kind of close to the person. It makes their face all stretched out. You see all the imperfections. It's not a good look. Instead, it's better to have the person step far away from the camera, then use the camera to zoom in on them, and that will help separate them from the background. The background will get out of focus, and the picture looks a lot better. Have you ever noticed how often people on the internet get filmed standing right in front of a wall? We've also seen it with photographs for very many years. People will stand in front of a fireplace or a bookcase or a wall like this one. It's not a great look. It's really claustrophobic, and you're not separating the person from the background. Instead, let's move away from the wall, and let's change the angle of the camera so we're not shooting straight against the wall. You can see how the wall is now on a nice diagonal angle, and the background looks a lot prettier. One other thing you'll notice about this shot is that I've got my body turned a little bit, and I'm on one side of the frame facing the middle of the frame. Sometimes you might want to shoot wider than normal, and that's because the video might want to go on social media and you need it to be vertical. We're shooting everything in landscape, but since we're shooting wider, we can simply crop the picture off and all of a sudden, boom, we're ready for vertical. Sometimes it is difficult to remember all the words for a long scene. I know after about 15 seconds, I kind of start to lose my place. That's why I shoot short scenes, and this scene is just about over. Then I change the angle of the camera and shoot another short scene. Now you might think that that's a lot more work, but in fact it can be a real time saver, especially for folks like me who otherwise might need 50 takes to get through a long scene. My biggest problem when I'm performing on camera is that I talk way too fast. In fact, most people do, especially when they're recording voiceover. So my advice is really simple: slow down. It is amazing how much more authority we have when we talk slowly. I have a question for you. Are you finding these tips helpful? Or maybe do you have a question about marketing videos that you'd really like to have answered? Well, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And rest assured that if you leave a comment, I will read it, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, I promised you a free gift, and here it is. I've created a very quick video mini course for you. And in this super quick course, you're going to discover more ways to save time and money while making better videos. You'll see lots of additional tips for getting better pictures and sound, and even some fancy tricks for getting cinematic shots. And I'm even sharing some of my very favorite secrets for getting your best on-camera performances. And as a bonus, you'll discover the mindset for creating videos that sell. And you can get instant access right now at themaximizers.com/fast. And you can also find the link in the description right below this video. All right, fellow Maximizers, here is your challenge. Go watch the quick mini course and get inspired to make some great videos because your customers are waiting to see your stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, let's stay connected, and as always, have the very most fun.